We are pleased to show you the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, backup camera, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, tachometer, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.